How to hide likes on Facebook profile picture? Watch this video till the end. To get started, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside, tap on the menu icon located at the top right corner. Next, click on your name to go directly to your Facebook profile page. Now click on your current profile picture and a menu will appear with a few options. From this menu, choose See Profile Picture. Then at the top right, tap the three dots to access more options for this photo. Here's the trick. Facebook doesn't let you turn off likes directly, but you can hide the photo from others. To do this, tap on Edit Privacy. Furthermore, choose Only Me and hit Save. Finally, your profile picture is completely private and as a result, no one can like it. And just like that, you now know how to hide likes on Facebook profile picture.